Hey guys, welcome back to Cole Needs a Haircut. Just kidding. Hey guys, welcome to Cole the Cornstar. I am a 21-year-old farmer from Iowa, and if you're interested in seeing how the operations of a farm work and all the behind the scenes, you're in the right place. And always remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more future content, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. All right, let's get into the video. Wow, look at this. Normally when I come home to the shop after being gone all week, it's a wreck. Somebody, I think it was Cooper, cleaned the shop. I should say they cleaned the benches. Out here, it's pretty messy yet.
Hey, Anna. Hi, girl.
Right now, it's about as cold as can be outside. I think it's about negative 25 degrees right now with the wind chill. It's supposed to get below negative 60 degrees Fahrenheit by Wednesday. Brr! And we're supposed to get some snow tonight, I guess. Or today. I'm not really sure. But, so what do we do now? We have a few shop projects I would like to do. We have this 12-inch auger in the shop right now. We need to make some sort of hitch for the bottom. If we don't have a hitch, it's a real pain to move it around. This piece right here is the spout that goes on the end of this auger. It goes right up there. But we modified it from the last time we used it, so we need to take this red piece off, put a plate to cover that, and then we can use the original hole right here. And then we get back to this corner of the shop. This is the only messy corner in the shop, and I want to get these shelves right here against the wall, get this wood up on those shelves, and get rid of some stuff we don't need in here. I don't like clutter, and I like being able to utilize the entire shop. There are a few projects I would like to do in the future for the shop, one being a used oil container. That'll go somewhere back here where these shelves are. It'll be a 275-gallon chemical container that's empty and cleaned out, and we'll be able to put our used oil in there versus putting it in a shed near the shop, which is just a hassle and it can be messy, and I don't like spilling oil all over the place. Another thing that needs done is this conduit right there has not been put on yet for one string all the way down the building. So I'd like to do that in the future here too. You guys are lucky. You're going to get an aerial view from on top of the combine. I'm going to take a break from cleaning for a little bit and work on that auger. Since this end of the auger is going to be about 15 feet off the ground, we're not going to be able to get to this very easily, and it's going to be sitting open to the elements. And the elements seem to be the hardest on these motors. Also, when it snows, it sits in here and then it freezes, and then it can take your belts off, and we don't want that. So what we're going to do is take this barrel right here, and we're going to cut it and situate it right over the top of this, kind of like a little house for it. And that way it'll be protected from the sun and the snow and the rain. All right, Dad's off filling another semi-quick, so I'm gonna go back to cleaning up this spot a little more. Wow, this is a lot cleaner. It's not completely clean yet because my brother is still finishing up on his truck restoration, so I don't know what parts he needs here yet. So this is going to be a clutter for a little while. And then I have a couple things here on the floor, such as this old parts cleaner and this old power washer. I just don't know where I'm going to stick those yet, but I'll find a spot. But other than that, this area is finally cleaned out. Now, we'll just have to find something to put here. But as Anna likes to say, this is the cleanest the shop has ever been. No, but seriously, the entire shop has been cleaned now. So I get to go through it all again, and we can find better places for stuff now that we have 95% of the clutter out of the way. And we actually have floor space now. After this week, this auger should be out of here by then because it's just about done. Just a few minor things to do. Like with any project, the first 90% flies by. The last 10% takes forever. That's the case with this auger. When it comes down to all the vehicles in here, we need another building just for cars, it seems like. Because right now, we're full of cars in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if we're counting off-road vehicles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this random water cooler. All right, so as I was editing my outro, all of a sudden my file went corrupt, so it wouldn't let me put it in the video at all. So I'm gonna have to record this again real quick. Unfortunately, I only had about 6 hours to film in the shop this week, so this is gonna be the end of today's video. My school load's just been kind of full last week, so I didn't get a lot of time. But I'm just working with what I got. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe so that you will be contacted when I upload new videos. And please leave a nice comment below. I like hearing from you guys. All right, thanks for watching, guys.